Spoken English conversation. Subscribe please.
V1 base form pack. V2 past form packed. V3 past participle packed. V4 present par, packing. V5 SESIES packs. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb pack? Answer. The base form of the verb pack is pack. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb pack? Answer. The past form of the verb pack is packed. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb pack? Answer. The past participle of the verb pack is packed. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb pack? Answer. The present participle of the verb pack is packing. Question 5. What is the third person singular SESIs of the verb pack? Answer. The third person singular SESIs of the verb pack is packs.
Verb prompts. Example sentences.
V1 I need to pack for my trip. V2 she packed her bags yesterday. V3 the suitcase was packed with clothes. V4 they are currently packing their belongings. V5 he always packs his lunch before work.
Subscribe my channel.